Hey everyone, Lee here. In this guide I'll show you how to switch filament colours at a specific layer in Bambu Studio. Perfect for adding simple multicoloured details to your prints. First open up Bambu Studio and import your model. Next decide which filament colours you need. In the filament section, set your primary colour first. For example, if you're printing something like a stop sign, you'd start by selecting the red as your base colour. Now you want to add a second filament. For the colour change, click the plus icon in the filament section, choose your material, like a standard PLA, and assign it to the second colour, white in this case. Confirm to add it. Once your filaments are set up, move over to the preview tab and slice the model. After slicing, use the layer slider on the side to scroll through the print layer by layer. This helps you find the exact point where you want the colour change to happen. Move the slider down until you reach the layer where the new colour should begin. When you've found the right spot, right click on the layer and select the option to change filament. Then assign the new colour, your second filament, to that layer. To apply the change, slice the model again. Finally, drag the layer slider all the way to the top to preview the complete print. You can now see the upper portion of the model displays in the new colour. And that's it. That's how you set up a filament change at a specific layer in Bambu Studio. So, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.